Hey there, wonderful people. I'm about to share an extraordinary tale with you. This isn't just entertainment. It's a powerful message about persistence, courage, and transformation. Let me introduce you to Jake. Jake had just turned 19. He resided in a tiny hamlet surrounded by rolling hills. The environment was serene, but Jake's aspirations? They reached beyond the clouds. He envisioned establishing food chains across the nation. In his imagination, he was already a renowned business owner. Unfortunately, his current circumstances told a contrasting story. Financial hardship defined his household. Thomas, his dad, made ends meet fixing broken machinery. Emma, his mom, scrubbed floors in wealthy homes to contribute income. Then there was little Lily, his 8-year-old sister, who viewed her older brother as her personal superhero. One quiet night, beneath a sky full of twinkling lights, Jake sat contemplating his future. His heart felt heavy with uncertainty. How do I transform our lives? He whispered into the darkness. We're already struggling to get by. When morning arrived, Jake shared his ambitions with Thomas. His father listened patiently before offering wisdom. Son, Thomas began thoughtfully, greatness isn't handed out freely. Every accomplishment demands sacrifice. Start your journey with whatever you currently hold. Those words resonated deeply within Jake's soul. Then, like lightning, an idea emerged. He noticed something fascinating. Residents in his hamlet desired freshly prepared loaves each morning. However, the nearest baking shop was located extremely far away. Nobody enjoyed making that tiresome journey repeatedly. What if I brought those goods directly to them? Jake thought enthusiastically. But here's the challenge. Jake possessed absolutely nothing. His wallet remained perpetually empty. Still, he refused letting this stop him. He decided taking a bold, risky step. He journeyed for hours, reaching the baking establishment in the distant town. There, he encountered the proprietor, a gruff older gentleman named Mr. Thompson. Everyone knew Mr. Thompson rarely extended trust to anyone. Taking a deep breath, Jake steadied his nerves and spoke. "Sir, I'd like to propose a partnership." Jake started. "Let me sell your loaves in my hamlet. My challenge is, I currently lack capital. Could you trust me for 1 week? I'll distribute everything, settle payment, and retain a small percentage." Mr. Thompson's eyes narrowed suspiciously. "And why would I place faith in you?" he questioned harshly. Jake held his gaze firmly. "Because my determination is unshakable. Because I'll demonstrate work ethic beyond anyone you've encountered. One opportunity is all I request." Silence dominated the space. It felt eternal. Finally, Mr. Thompson spoke. "Fine, 1 week, but failing to repay me means never returning here." Jake's excitement exploded. The very next morning, while stars still dotted the sky, Jake collected his first supply. He carried everything homeward despite screaming muscles. Close to the village center, he established a humble selling station. His voice projected with energy, "Fresh, warm loaves right here." At first, residents passed by uncertainly. They questioned whether this young stranger's products merited purchasing. But Jake never wavered. He distributed free samples generously. He conversed with everyone kindly. Slowly, buyers emerged. By nightfall, his complete stock had vanished. Jake counted his earnings with overwhelming happiness. He'd actually generated profit. Without delay, he rushed back, settling accounts with Mr. Thompson. The elderly proprietor looked genuinely astonished. "You kept your promise. That's uncommon. Come back tomorrow." This became Jake's launching point. Every single morning at 4 o'clock sharp, Jake's day commenced. He walked considerable distances collecting inventory. Then he transported everything back, selling with passionate determination. 2 full months of this exhausting schedule continued. 2 months of sore feet, tired arms, and unwavering commitment. His dedication produced results. He acquired a wooden cart. Now transporting larger quantities became feasible. Revenue climbed consistently. One afternoon, a patron made an intriguing suggestion. "You've got real talent selling, but why not create your own loaves? Your earnings would skyrocket." The proposal simultaneously excited and terrified Jake. Creating loaves himself? He'd never tried anything remotely similar, not even once. Yet something powerful stirred within. To achieve genuine prosperity, taking chances was mandatory. Acquiring knowledge was crucial. Personal development was unavoidable. Nothing worthwhile arrives without struggle, right? The next sunrise, Jake nervously confronted Mr. Thompson. "Sir, would you teach me your craft?" The proprietor's expression turned stern. "Why would I do that? Once you produce independently, you won't purchase from me. That damages my revenue." Jake understood this concern. "You're correct, but I'll never forget your generosity when I owned nothing. When I flourish, your establishment will prosper too." Mr. Thompson pondered this proposition. "Eventually," he conceded. "Very well, but understand, this craft requires patience, constant practice, and embracing mistakes. Are you prepared?" "Definitely," Jake answered without hesitation. Lessons commenced before daybreak. At 3 in the morning, Mr. Thompson revealed every secret. Ideal flour proportions, proper dough manipulation, perfect temperature control. At first, Jake's efforts were catastrophic. His hands ached terribly. His creations resembled rocks or mushy failures. After ruining another attempt, Jake sat defeated. "Maybe I lack talent," he mumbled sadly. "Perhaps surrendering makes sense." Then Thomas's advice returned. "Nothing valuable comes easily." Jake understood something critical. Every failure provided valuable lessons. Every mistake forged greater strength. Giving up, not an option. The following session, he arrived with fierce determination. He focused intently on every minor detail. Step by step, gradually yet certainly, progress appeared. After 14 days, Mr. Thompson tasted Jake's creation and beamed, "Outstanding! You've learned well." Jake felt invincible. He obtained a compact home oven and started production. His whole family pitched in. Lily managed wrapping. Emma made hot beverages during marathon baking sessions. Soon, Jake broadened his selection. Sweet treats appeared. Pastries materialized. Everything tasted magnificent. Residents declared, "Jake makes the most delicious baked goods we've ever had." Then trouble emerged. Ryan launched a rival business, an enormous fancy establishment with brilliant signage and sophisticated decorations. Curiosity pulled people toward this fresh alternative. Jake witnessed shrinking revenue. Anxiety threatened consuming him. "Am I going to lose what I've created?" he worried. Rather than yielding to fear, Jake selected wisdom. He requested customer feedback. "What draws you to Ryan's place? What improvements should I make?" Answers varied. Some appreciated Ryan's visual presentation. Others complimented his artistic cake designs. Jake understood the message. Progress demanded more than baking expertise. Entrepreneurial thinking mattered equally. He utilized his savings strategically. His cart received brilliant, fresh colors. Eye-catching arrangements appeared. Complimentary samples returned. He studied cake decoration methods through online tutorials at the local library. Gradually, patrons returned to him. One elderly woman spoke warmly. "I've watched many young folks quit when challenges arrive. Your tenacity earns our trust." Pride filled Jake's chest. Seasons changed. Jake's venture kept growing. Finally, his savings permitted leasing an authentic shop. Though smaller than Ryan's, it emanated genuineness and warmth. The signboard announced, "Jake's Artisan Bakehouse." Every dawn, he prepared fresh stock. He greeted visitors with authentic warmth. His family stayed engaged. 9-year-old Lily loved chatting with patrons. Emma managed financial records. Everything seemed perfect. Then, disaster struck. During a fierce thunderstorm, calamity happened. While shutting down, Jake smelled something alarming. Smoke. He spotted flames consuming his oven section. He battled the blaze with water and prevailed, but substantial equipment suffered damage. Sunrise brought worried neighbors observing the devastation. Murmurs circulated. Maybe Jake's story ends here, but Jake stood proud among the wreckage. This is simply another hurdle, he stated boldly. I've conquered challenges before. This won't defeat me. He examined his finances. They couldn't cover replacement expenses. Fear tried creeping into his mind, but Jake pushed it away. He approached Mr. Thompson, requesting counsel. The experienced baker smiled warmly. You already know what's needed. You've proven that triumph requires labor. Keep believing. Others will too. Those words rekindled Jake's fire. He restarted production at home, utilizing remaining equipment. He spoke transparently with customers. My dedication hasn't changed. Service continues, though volumes might temporarily reduce. The outcome? Residents admired his courage. They organized assistance. Ingredient gifts arrived. Money contributions piled up. Helpers volunteered for reconstruction. Jake learned something beautiful. Authentic dedication attracts authentic assistance. Communities support those who battle adversity. After grueling months, the toughest chapter yet, Jake's spectacular reopening occurred. The makeover was breathtaking. Newly painted surfaces, imaginative decorations throughout. His offerings now included muffins and cupcakes. The town leader attended the event. Jake, she announced proudly, your story demonstrates that resolve overcomes anything. Jake spoke to the crowd emotionally. My appreciation goes to each person, he expressed genuinely. This experience showed me that success isn't given, it's claimed. Through perseverance, dedication, and never accepting defeat, obstacles are merely bridges toward magnificence. Jake's artisan bakehouse became more than a baking shop. It represented hope. People journeyed from faraway places meeting this inspiring young man. What Jake's journey teaches. 1. Goals demand investment, both sweat and sacrifice. 2. Failures deliver priceless lessons that build character. 3. Show dedication. Assistance follows authentic commitment. 4. Persistence wins. Struggle precedes victory. Jake built more than a business. He shaped a purposeful existence, overflowing with honor. That power lives within you too. Whatever dreams motivate you, chase them fearlessly. Remember, nothing comes without cost. Yet everything stays within reach.